All right, now to this, we are going to add a 1/4 cup of citric acid. Make sure there's no lumps in it. And a 1/4 cup of salt. Now, I only have pink Himalayan salt at the moment, but I don't think it's going to matter. I've used it before, it doesn't matter. But my water, if you have hard water, or you have a lot of chemicals in the water, like right now we have a lot of chemicals in the water, then you have to put salt in there. Otherwise, it's not going to have the right pH to wash your dishes. So we'll have that. Make sure all the lumps are out. Give it a good mix.